Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Unfolded. I'm Alice. Every week we unfold one piece of English together, simply, naturally, and with a lot of fun.
Hey everyone, I'm Jake, and I'm really glad to be here today.
Jake, you look a little worried today. Is everything okay?
Kind of. I actually haven't been feeling great. A little tired, a little sniffly.
Oh no, are you coming down with something?
I think so. Yesterday I had a scratchy throat and my head felt kind of heavy.
Ugh, the worst. That early stage of a cold is so annoying.
Yes, you don't feel terrible yet, but you know something is coming.
I actually know that feeling really well because last week that happened to me. I woke up and just felt off, so I went to the pharmacy, and that gave me the idea for today's topic.
Oh, so today's lesson is about going to the pharmacy?
Exactly. What do you say when you don't feel well? How do you talk to a pharmacist? Let's unfold it together.
Everyone, if English Unfolded is helping you, please hit the like button and subscribe.
Share this with a friend who needs it. Okay, let's go. The very first thing, how do you say you don't feel well in English?
I am sick?
That works, but there's a softer, more natural way. You can say, I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well. Oh, that does sound more natural.
Right, I'm sick is a little strong. I'm not feeling well is gentler and very common.
Can I say it to a friend or just the doctor?
Both, to anyone. At work, at home, at the pharmacy, it's very flexible.
Okay, I'm not feeling well. Got it.
Now, when I woke up last week, I had that feeling, not terrible, but not right, like something was starting. And the phrase for that is, I think I'm coming down with something.
Coming down with something? What does that mean?
It means you feel like you're getting sick, a cold, the flu, something like that. It's just starting.
Oh, so it's like my body is warning me.
Exactly. I think I'm coming down with something. It's a really useful phrase. I hear it all the time.
I think I'm coming down with something. That actually describes how I feel right now.
I hope not. But yes, use that phrase. Now, I went to the pharmacy and the pharmacist asked me, how can I help you? So what did I say?
I have a cold?
That's fine. But what if you want to ask for specific medicine? You can say, do you have anything for...
Do you have anything for, do you have anything for a cold?
Perfect. Or do you have anything for a sore throat? Do you have anything for a runny nose? You just fill in the symptom.
Oh, that's so easy. Just swap the symptom at the end.
Exactly. I said, I'm not feeling well. Do you have anything for a sore throat and a runny nose? And the pharmacist gave me some medicine right away.
That's so useful. Can I try a role play?
Yes, I'll be the pharmacist. You come in as a customer.
Okay. Hi, I'm not feeling well.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I think I'm coming down with something. Do you have anything for a headache and a sore throat?
Of course. This one works well for both. Take one tablet every 6 hours.
Every 6 hours. Okay, thank you.
Get some rest and drink lots of water. You'll feel better soon.
Wow, that felt so natural. Take one tablet every 6 hours. I love that phrase.
Right? Take every hours is exactly how pharmacists and doctors give instructions. Take 2 tablets every 8 hours. Take 1 every 4 hours. Very simple pattern.
And you said get some rest at the end. That's so warm.
Get some rest is one of those phrases that just feels caring. You can say it to anyone who isn't feeling well. It's simple, but it means a lot.
I want to say that to you right now, Alice. Get some rest.
Thank you, Jake. And the good news, after I rested and took my medicine, I could say, I'm starting to feel better.
I'm starting to feel better. Oh, that's a nice one. Not completely better, but getting there, right?
Exactly. Starting to means it's in progress, still recovering, but moving in the right direction. I love this phrase because it's honest and hopeful at the same time.
That's really sweet. I'm starting to feel better. I'll remember that one.
This is one of my favorite phrases to teach because when you're sick in a foreign country, or even just talking to someone in English, being able to say how you feel clearly, that really helps.
It really does. I never knew how to say all of this before.
And now you do. One phrase at a time, that's how we unfold English. Okay, shall we go over what we learned today?
Yes. First, I'm not feeling well. A gentle, natural way to say you don't feel good.
Much softer than just I'm sick, and you can use it anywhere.
Then, I think I'm coming down with something for when a cold or illness is just starting.
That early warning feeling, this phrase captures it perfectly.
Next, do you have anything for so useful at a pharmacy? Just say your symptom at the end.
Do you have anything for a fever? For a stomachache? Swap it in and you're good.
And take every hours for medicine instructions. Take one every 6 hours.
Short, clear, and exactly what you'll hear from any pharmacist.
Then get some rest. Simple, warm, says everything.
And finally, I'm starting to feel better because recovery is a journey, not a switch.
I love that. One step at a time.
Exactly. Every phrase you learn today is one more door you can open, especially when you really need it. Jake, I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you, Alice. I'm going to try some of these today.
Before we go, here's a question for all of you. What do you usually do when you feel a cold coming? Leave a comment and let us know.
We love reading your comments, and if this video helped you, please like and subscribe to English Unfolded.
Share this with a friend who's learning English or someone who might need a pharmacy phrase soon.
Take care of yourselves, everyone. Have a good one.
Unfold your voice. Speak with Alice. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.